Welcome to Exhort Solutions. In this video, we will learn data types in C programming. We will learn integer, float, double, character. So now let's get started. Now we will see types of data types. There are three types of data types, that is primitive data types, derived data types, and user defined data types. Now first we will see primitive data types. Character. Char stands for character and it can hold or store a character. That is, if we use data type char and name equals to exhort, then this exhort is a character and this char data type holds the value of a character. Int, it is used to hold an integer. Okay, no, none other than value integer it will hold. It will not hold decimal value. If we write here decimal value, then it will just take whole number and remove the decimal places. Then next is a float. We use float to hold a float value, that is 51.2, 61.3, 61.00. Next is double, used to hold a double value. Now we will see in detail what this type of means. Here we also have a void data type which returns nothing and it is an empty data type. Now derived data type. Function, array, pointer, reference are derived data type. User defined data types are class, structure, union, enum and typedef. Now we will see fundamental data type, that is integer. Integers are used to store whole numbers. As we have discussed, integers only store whole numbers. It does not store a decimal values. Int keyword is used to refer integer data type. Okay, for example, int age 21. As we have seen in the previous lecture, we have taken example for variable, that is int age 21. There int stands for data type. Age is a variable and 21 is a value assigned to a variable age which has a data type int. Now the storage size of int data type is 2 or 4 or 8 byte. It depends on machine to machine. Okay, like if we are having 16-bit processor, it will be allocated 2 byte of memory, that is 16 bit, and 1 byte is equals to 8 bit. This is important, that 1 byte is equals to 8 bit. Now likewise 4 byte is 32 bit of memory for 32 bit processor and 8 byte gets 64 bit of memory for 64 bit processor is allocated for int. Now this is the chart given for size and range of integer type on 16-bit machine. Refer to this chart. If you have any doubt, you can contact on Telegram group as we have given link in the description below. Now next we will see a important note. We can't store decimal values using int data type. Yes, that is true. That int age equals to 21.2, then only 21 is stored in the integer and point 2 gets removed automatically as we are using int data types to store decimal values.